So I literally had to fabricate this wire myself from what DK Custom Products sent me, which this is the 409 Pro Race plug wires. They come open-ended, so you can figure out what length you need. So you have to manufacture this yourself. So they want you to measure between here and your spark plug the length that you're gonna need. All right, this one's already done, so I'm gonna show you to build another one here. Hopefully I don't jack it up. So measure how long you need it. My initial assessment was 9 inches, so I've cut some away. So I guess it might have been from here. So I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but from the end of the wire, measured out 9 inches, and then you're gonna cut that back in the process. So measure 9 inches from the end. 9 right there. So I'm just gonna chop it. Chop the cable here. Now they want you to cut a 1/2 inch or more. I found out it needs to be longer. Down to the core, the wire, in the middle without cutting it. So the rubber and then the insulation. Okay, and then they want you to cut another 5/8 out, and then this is gonna fold over, and you're gonna apply you're gonna crimp on a connector. So here is the connection. You're gonna crimp this far, so just about that much you need to bear, just the rubber. Take the rubber away, right there, enough for that to grab on right there. So that's about the middle of the S. Okay, clean insulation. Clean insulation. Okay, so with that white part, they want you to fold the core over. Fold the core over like that. And then get your connector, put it on there. And then they want you to crimp it down. Crimp it together without damaging anything. This is the part that you have to get right because you need that connectivity. So that wire has got to be touching. All right, you want to make sure it's not going to pull out. Okay. And like that. Okay, so real difficult step is now that you've got your wire, it's got to fit in here. All right, so what I'm doing is they recommend some grease or even dish soap. So I'm going to use the old mountain bike technique, right, of Windex. Coat that rubber inside with Windex. And then we are fitting this in here through. And we want to push this in like another 1/2 inch or so. Let me get this situated and I'll get right back to you. And there you have it. All right. It doesn't have to be all the way to the end. The front part has the coil, the connector all the way at the end. I want to shield my spark plug a little bit, so mine is not all the way, but will it still snap? Click. And click. So there you go. And that's your coil replacement.